So, how are you guys? Uh, Let me share. This is my first stream. Mm, So, hi, how are you guys? This is a live video. Also, you will see the videos on the YouTube. So, this, I think this should be part of videos. It will be long. I hope the live stream goes well, but video didn't start yet. Let me test some keyboard. Okay, we have these two things. And okay. So I want talk about PHP MVC. The MVC structure is just a folder structure. It's nothing. Let's see. Okay, it's recorded now. Hi, hello again. So in this live stream and video, I want to make a blog with PHP and MVC, the pure PHP, because I just want to show what is MVC and how we can make some, handmade framework for ourselves. I think this should be fine. This should be fun. Okay, so I will dive into folder and Kadir MVC, or make it blog. Okay, it's because I want to, I have planned to make this blog in PHP MVC, then CodeIgniter, then Symfony, then Laravel, to show you what's the difference between these frameworks and the pure PHP, and let you to choose what you want, because the hardest part, it's not hardest, but it's confusing parts of learning a programming language is choose the framework. And I don't know, wish I could, but I just want to show you and let you decide better to choose a framework. And I think the Laravel is good for now, but I just want to show you. So let me make Tmox here and open the code here. So the plan is just making, let me a todo.md. Okay, I want first have a dashboard. Dashboard means that I should to have a login, and register means that I should to have user main, and you know, I just want to show some posts on the index page. So I have a main page with posts, and the dashboard should to have and I want to show the categories of website. So so the post has the categories, and you can choose the categories. I don't think this is a video for ever, but I hope. Categories of website, and you know, the posts could have categories, okay, and also posts can have tags. This is simple tags, and we should to routes by posts slug, routes by categories slug categories slug, and also routes by tags. So on the dashboard we have a page to create a post. So we should to show existing categories, and let's pick some of them, and you are free to make some tags, and you are free to make some tags. Okay, so let's do it. I think that we need some UI for the main page, the product, the post page, and the dashboard, but for now I just want to make something. I don't care about UI. Maybe in future video we take care about UI things. Just make sure it's recording. So first I want to make an index.php, and you know, we want to implement an MVC here. So for this I will make an app folder. And what's MVC? What is MVC? MVC means model, view, and controller. It's just a, you know, folder structure. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't have any other structure. Like, you can use functional, you can use object oriented in the, you know, between classes and between view, controller, and things. Sometimes you can just pick the, you know, the router, you can pick the models, you can pick the views, but the common way is let me show you here. When we want to implement an MVC, imagine this is a user, or not, imagine this is a website. This is a site. So this is a site. So when user requests to this site, one request coming, so it should to go to controller. And how we decide which controller should to use, in here we should to have something called router, and we can choose by the router which controller should be used. And in different, you know, frameworks, it different routing system, like Laravel and Symfony use same, but CodeIgniter use another. And for now I just want to implement that CodeIgniter's kind of CodeIgniter solution in this. And in the controller, you can decide that you want to pick which models. You can pick several models here, and also you can choose to show which view. And I want to show you how we can implement this little baby structure in the app and make a blog with it. So for it, what's happened? What's happened here? Come on. Okay, I just want to make a controller. Is there anything that fits? No, it's good. It should controllers and models and views. Okay, it should go there. Okay, so this is the MVC. This is a simple MVC. So in the index.php, I just wanna catch the road things and how we can take care about the routing. First, let me bring this application up by first I want to make composer init here, and I just want to skip everything. Okay, so we have composer JSON here, and I want to use .env and other things here by composer, and that we have this composer. So there's a built-in web server on the PHP. If you are using Linux or macOS, you can use it. If you use Windows, you can kind of install PHP on your environment path, environment variable, and have access here. Or you can use XAMPP or WAMP or everything that you have, and serve this application. If you use Apache, means WAMP and XAMPP, you have to write some rewrite rule on your htaccess that you should to have .htaccess here, and write some rules here. And I want to let me just show you what's the rules. Rewrite rule htaccess. I think this is good. It works. Okay. No. It's good, I think. But I have not PHP. I'm not using Apache, so just here I just want to hello here, and I want to use built-in web service of the PHP uppercase S, and you can define your port and which port you want to listen your app listening. It's 7.1 and here, and now I can save it like this. First of all, I must. Okay, you can see hello here, and if I start, this will be here. It doesn't care about the Apache htaccess here. I can delete it, and you can see everything works. But in Apache, if you use Nginx or Caddy or other web services, I believe that it works because they are moved everything to the index.php until that we have another file here like test.php and hello test. I just can have this here. If I tell that I want to test.php, it will bring me that folder, that file. But if we just put the test, it will redirect our request to the index.php. always. But if you use Apache, you must do an extra things. Well, you can search and make HT access. I will bring it in the its repository. Let me git init here and open lazy git and okay, ignore this. Okay, init project fits what we want to do, and the index.php is just started. So my strategy is that we have two kind of roads, three kind of roads. The roads by post slugs means that it's something like post slash the slug of the post, and I should to support this, and I want to handle this post just, and for this I want to make, let me just build it in here, and then we can move it to another helper. Just I want to make a function for routing, and just I want to route this post to controller called post controller.php. And here in the here I must to change it to the app backslash this app, and also I should to include here slash vendor slash, oh, it doesn't comment here, you have only app. Reload Windows, let me see. Okay, vendor and autoload.php, we should to include this, and then we have access to the controllers there. So for routing, and also we have an index, I want to make the home controller.php here, so for nothing it should to open this. So I should to bring a namespace app controllers, okay, and a class. I want to use the class-based things here. Home controller, we can have a base controller here, but we don't need, and because home controller is just, it's just it should to do one thing and bring us the home page. So I will make a function and make it invocable, and everything should be fine. Just echo hi, it's home page, okay. And for posts I should copy all of the things. Make it post controller, but here we have to, we have one. Yes, here even we have one, and we just need the single page of the post when you can see the post in detail. So this is a post page, so it's good, I think. So for routing, Also on view I can have something, I can make an error controller here, but let me see here. The things that we need, let me add on that are on the line server. Here I want to show you something. I should to call routine here, and everything is in here. Why this is not pretty? Okay. As you can see, we have something called, I just wanna this request URI. This request URI gives us the post /slog/ everything we have /everything here. In the request URI we can have this. So if it's empty, you can see the request URI is just one slash. So I want to use this, and I just want to use the parameters, the URL, your pass, it's better. So I don't on the server, and I want this, and I want to know where we are. I want the action, and I want to explode. Yes, explode the URL pass by the this is string by slash, and just one limit. It means just I want 1, and I want a 0. If the 0 is not exist, I just want to tell that I'm in home. So and let me see the var dump $action. I want to see, I'm in home. If I make 2, what's happened? Okay. No, it's not okay. No. Let me see the action here. /post // So the 0 will be this, so this should be 2, and if it's 2, string 0 should be nothing. Okay, so I will trim the string, this string, by the the slash, and you can see the post is in here. And if I can, we have to have things with tests. It's a long time I didn't write things like this, so I must test too much. Let me zoom a little bit for you and make this small. You want to see live stream? No one. Oh, thank you. Live stream. Let's check that. Yeah. Okay. So, you're past the action here, and I want to know what's our action. The 0. For now, it's the post, and I want if it's empty. This gives me the the home, but it's not. So here I should to use something called empty, no, this action, and if action equal to dollar action equal to, no, the empty action, nothing. If it's empty, it's nothing, it should be the action, but it's empty, it should be home. So this is now the home. So slash post, and you can see everything will be fine here. If the tag, it should be tag, so it's good. So I'll make another function, and with this I just want to know the class name or controller name, and this should be like this. You know what's I need here? It's $controller equal to controller name, controller. Yes. Name. Okay, and here we want to return we want to return the, you know, it's app \controllers / this should be printf of this, and here we should to write that we need where is this? We have in a string the action, and here the action should be you know, the $controller equal to should be controller. So the controller, it should be something like UC first, and the UC first of action. UC first of action would be, you know, this tag will be the tag with the first uppercase, and the controller, or I don't need this here. Controller thing, it's fine. So let me see what is the controller. App controllers tag controller. So here I have the post, and if I have nothing, home controller, if I have slash, the home controller. Okay, so here I should to check if a class exists. Our controller auto load here, true, I don't know. If not class exists, should to return, you know, it should 404 page not found. Okay, and I will implement it in later. And if it found, echo not found. So do we have a home controller, the app controllers, 2x/app? No. What's happened here? So I just want to varlamp this and controller, and let me see what's happened. Then false, and app controllers, home controller, home. Oh, this is the app, and this should be app. Let me see the composer, it's correct, and nothing changed. Is this home controller? Yeah. What's happened? Do you think this is the app controllers and home controller? Everything should be fine, but it's not. So let me see. I don't think it's work now. Doesn't work. So I think composer dump auto load. Okay, everything works. Sometimes. Okay. And we have to make an instance of this controller. So for simplify, I make a rule for myself to not making a controller without invoke function. So I will make something called contracts here and make the controller interface.php and you know, this contract should be upper. And PHP class or namespace first, the app contracts class. It's not a class, it's interface. Controller interface, and it should have a function. It should have a function. Invoke. Okay, so it should have an invoke function here, all the controllers, and done. And it should to implement the controller interface. Okay. All the controllers should implement this. Okay. Okay. So on index.php, that we should use object of the controller of, you know, new controller and run everything. Object. Okay, hi, this is the home page, and quit this, close. And for posts like this, you know, this is the post page, but for the posts I want this, you know, it's useless for me, and I want the parameters. And let me make a function get URL parameters. This should be return an array or empty array. Yes. So you know, this, I want the URL path, and also I want to explode like this, but without limits. Yes. And you know, path is one. I want many passive paths. So how should oh, why should be paths? Okay, I don't know. So we will just remove the first one. Yes, trim is in here and everything is okay. We just need to, you know, delete paths first and return on set. No, it's okay. And you know, dollar parameters equal to get URL parameters. Yes, your parameters at scale, and put them like this. And if on post here we make a string of the slug, and here echo hide post page, and your slug. Okay, as you can see, we have error. Okay, so first I can see the value of the parameters. Can I see? Okay, so we have some problems. Okay, the first one is it's okay. No. So why? Okay, let me see the log of the PHP. Okay, cats. Where is this? Where log PHP FPM8 log permission denied. Sudo. No, it's not okay. I don't know, where is this? Where is it? It's not using my Nginx, and it's not through errors. Oh, we have here, yes. So, fatal error, the location of the post controller slug must be compatible. Oh, so this implementation is not working. Yeah, this implementation is not working. So the home controller here like this, and you know, yeah, there's something bad news. And you know, we don't care about how much variables you put there. So we can support slugs like this here, and you can see we have a slug in here. So index, we delete this var and this is the object, and you know, we just return this object, but we need to do a try catch here to see if it's error, if any error. What is this? I cannot see. Is there anything happen? Hey, how are you, man? I didn't see your comments, but this is the English channel. So here, echo not found should change to server error. It's 500 page. Okay. Any error happens, we should just show the server error here, and you know, the routing system just finished. It's the routing, and we can make you know, something called helper here and put these functions there. Make the class. I think this should be fine. Helpers, make the routing, or we can make, instead of helpers, we can, it's better to call services and make routing service.php and namespace, app, services, and class of routing service. Just copy all this here, make these things protected, home, and just make this public, and change the name to handle, or execute is better. It should be action because it's just doing one thing, but who cares about the clean code for now? Let me talk about the clean code in future, not now. It's late night. Okay, and we are making an object of this routing service. So $routing service equal to new routing service, and we should to routing service exec. Wow. That's fine. Execute, and you can see everything is fine here. Oh my god. Okay, everything's fine, don't worry. Okay, no C's, and seems fine. Yeah, fine. No one see. It's good. Okay, so this execute, and you know, it's okay. Routing service is fine, it's good. And in home controller we should implement the models and views and other stuff. So let's dive into the, we also have, if we have the cat, if we do this is not found, and I want the tag of what's there, but just focus on the home controller and post controller, make this, then we can move to category and tags and others, and dashboard, even dashboard. So let's make the models. We need a post model here. So, and because model is sensitive thing, I need a base model PHP in here, and PHP namespace, app model class. This is a abstract class. No one shouldn't, catch this. Abstract class, base model, and let me copy. It's just the class. It should be find class, and extends base model, post model, base model, something like this. Let me bring a little bit further. Okay. On the base model, I don't know how to connect to. Let me cheat. GitHub source container of the app. models and the model.php. Let me make a little bit cheat here. Okay, I need this constructor here. Fields, no, video, TV, and table and connection. We have everything. Self TV, okay. If it's set, okay. So we can use this, something like this. Okay, so first of all, let me, here's the base model. What's it doing? Okay, let me a little bit commit because I think everything should be get fun. What's composer here? Feet, routing system, feet, base sample controllers, and we have the base model here. Okay, I want this field because I want to show you why. I don't know why, but oh, okay. So as you can see, we have some environment in here, and but first we have to go to phpMyAdmin, create a database called blog, called ut blog. I'm better with this. Blog. Motivate. Where is that? Great. Okay, we need a table called posts. I don't know. Type ID. We have ID, and we need auto increment. This is the primary and unique. Okay, so we need the title, which is varchar, I don't know, and it's not null. Who cares about? We need slug, it's varchar, and not null, but what? No. Oh, it should be unique. Slug varchar, okay. Slug, unique slug. Who writes the whole database like this? But we are using migrations, not writing, not making tables like this, but okay, who cares? And the body, it should be text, and I think everything's okay. We don't need partition and table comments, nothing, and save is interval length. Oh, 5 and int 100. It doesn't. Max, I don't know what's the max. Save. Okay, okay, 11 is the max because it's auto increment. So okay, I will copy this field and on the posts. So I have ID, which is PDO param int, we have title, which is param str, and we have, you know, slug, and we have body. Because we don't want to, why I define this in here, because I don't want to watch always the structure of the database. I don't care about my database. Who cares? So make something in here, create okay. Something cool, something cool, a cool body. Body. Okay, go. What's happening? Oh, one row there. Okay. The post, as you can see, we have something in here, and I want to make a function to get all posts, get paginate, make the get all, then I will refactor to paginate, get all, and here let me get a little bit cheatier, paginate, get all, something like this, and everything is here. You know, the table is the posts table, static table. We have not the where and this. Also, we don't have video fetch class. Everything should be fine. Yeah. Is everything fine? Let me see on the home page. Home. It's the home. I want to use posts, $posts equal to post model gets all, but this should be static. Wasn't it? Wasn't? Yes, it's static, as you can see, static things in here. So get all and back down $posts or server error. Oh, you know, there's no connection because in the base model I told you there is some environments that we don't have them. For this we have to do the composer composer require dots. No, let me see that. Do we have? I don't see. I found. This is this package. You can search php.env. I'm lazy. And this is a handsome package for handle environment variables. You can use the dollar and everything that they told you here. You can use it, and let me make .env.sample and making. Okay, I'll copy it. Or we have the source on index.php. After this, required button. No. Okay, it works. It works. Who cares? Okay. base model, we have MySQL hosts. This is, and we have ports. We have port, we have DB, we have username, and we have the password. So mine is here is root and not root, and you know the password is xsc, and MySQL DB is blog, and the port is default ports, and this is local host, I think. And let me copy this to env, and also delete this from the env example, and ignore this. Composer.json feeds PHP .env. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, so let me see. There is error there. So remember that I told you to do something called try cashier. Put it there to see what's up. Doesn't show. Okay. Server error. Yar. It doesn't correct. Okay. And get message class app model post model not found. This is good, because this is app models. And on the home controller should be models. Connection. This time is connection refused to the SQL. And let me see why. This model. So when? Wait a minute. Why we want to through that th? We have to do the try cat. Don't do it. Oh. What the fuck? No, really, what the fuck? Why? And something is not okay. No, host is equal to localhost. Let me put ports. It doesn't work. Okay, better. You see everything is good. Just good. Okay, it worked. And you can see the post is in here. This is a fucking cool MVC. So in the next video, this is a live stream. So let me end the live stream and talk with you a little bit. Not yet, someone watch. Okay, let me bring myself. Thank you for watching. I know 1 hour, and I should cut this a little bit, but In this video, we made our structure of the PHP MVC for blog, handle the routes, make the routing stuff things. I know that, you know, I'm just coding to make it works. You can do, if you make this with better solution, let me know in the comments or my Telegram, or I have too many things to access to me, my emails, and there are too many things. But if you tell me in the comments, it will be better. So if you know the better solution for the routing or other stuffs, please tell me in the comments. You know, there are too many better things, but you know, it just works. And who cares? We make the routing and we connect to the database. We make the home controller first, you know, brings the first posts. For the next video, I will prepare some UI for the homepage and the posts, and you can, you know, we can have something here. Okay, goodbye, see you.